Okay, 102, checking out.
Okay, well, you have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much. How about this? Just riding right out of the hotel. The doors open automatically. So it is not even 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am getting started out of Massillon today. Actually, a little bit nervous about this ride because I switched my route. When I came into Massillon, I was not really happy with the road I was on, and so I went on to ride with GPS and found another route, and this is going to put me on some towpaths. It's been raining a lot, like the last 4 days, and so I'm a little bit nervous that these towpaths may not be negotiable. We will see. Another reason why I'm a little bit nervous today is I have to be on very busy roads for about 3 miles. There's a towpath very near to my hotel, but this section of it for, I don't know, 2 miles, 3 miles is under construction and it is closed. And so I'm gonna have to tangle with traffic a little bit. Hopefully there's a good shoulder because it looks on the map like a very busy road. So, all right, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. How nice is this? It's a pretty smooth path. And considering all the rain, big storm, there was even snow, it was so cold. This path is in really good shape. Beautiful scenery. Oh, some of this path is even paved. This is a surprise. Now we're going under the railroad. And along the canal. Oh, this is so great to be able to use this towpath. And it's really fun that it's part of the Ohio to Erie Trail. There's lots of birds. Seeing bright yellow finches, red cardinals. Of course, as soon as I get anywhere close to them, they fly off, but it sure is fun to see them.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We got company on the trail.
Hey, you do that, speak up. It kind of startled her, startled me too. Let me get up here where it's wide and go around it.
Okay. Haha. Yeah, the horses, they get so skittish around the trike. Oh, poor little honey. Oh, sweetie, it's okay. Sure, you take your time. Oh, little honey, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Sorry I startled your horse.
It's fine, you just speak up.
Yeah, I never know if it's, startles them more. Thank you. Have a good ride. Yeah, horses and trikes. Oh, it's really a big deal. The horses just, I guess they're kind of skittish anyway. And then the trike just really throws them. And I never know when I should announce my presence. I was pretty far from that horse when it noticed me and, became very alarmed and agitated. And the rider got kind of annoyed with me for not letting him know earlier that I was coming up the path. But I had really slowed down and I was worried about the horse. And it's just hard to know how to handle that kind of a situation. It doesn't happen very often. Really aren't very many horse riders on these trails. But I think every situation's a little different. Haha, look at this, how fun. Lead all horses through the tunnel. Love tunnels. Under the railroad tracks. Yeah, very interesting part of the Ohio to Erie towpath here. It's so narrow. And I've got Schwalbe Marathon plus tires on all 5 wheels. They're definitely road tires. And I'm kind of sliding a little bit. I haven't had issues getting traction. But yeah, I'm kind of surprised how narrow this path is. Luckily, I haven't had to meet up with anybody coming in the other way, especially a horse. Could be a little awkward. It's beautiful out here. Just gorgeous. Right here next to the canal. I'm crossing a bridge. I think this goes over a highway. And one side of this bridge is for horses, keeping the horses safe. Ohio to Erie Trail. The Ohio to Erie towpath is what I am on. I just left Bolivar and now I'm headed to Zoarville. That's how it's pronounced. Mile 83. So you're supposed to walk your bike and no horses. Wow, look how narrow this is. Gosh, I have to make sure my side seat mount bag is closed before I take this path. Yeah, this is really narrow. I have to be careful how I take these corners because of the trailer. God, that's amazing. A field trip, huh? Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Yay, thank you. Have a good time, you guys. Bye. Oh, that's so fun. Well, that was good timing because they're just all walking down here. Very good timing. Nothing like timing. right, so getting to my destination for the day. I have a reservation at a motel. Cadiz Motel. Looks like I've got one last hill to climb in the rain. Of course. Of course. Right, Myrtle, come on. Myrtle's in a meeting room tonight. I am in Cadiz. This hotel is actually really big for such a small town. And they put me on the third floor and gave me this meeting room. They said the only thing they use it for is folding laundry. And I've got our batteries plugged in, so everything will be charged up tomorrow. So now I'm gonna go upstairs and check on the room.